Be prepared for a lot of this. Welcome to the channel. But the whole... Can y'all shut the up? Just kidding. We're an hour behind. Some of us were behind schedule. This is our second project, but the first one you guys will see. The whole purpose of this channel is going to be car fixing, car flipping, eventually cars of our own. That's just the general idea. Behind us, we have a 2021 wide body Scat Pack. As you can see, it's slightly fucked up.
It's okay. Welcome to the channel.
You'll get to know us. So majority of the damage is going to be in the front end. Am I right? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, correct.
So it wasn't stolen, although it looks like it did. Just the guy who had it before, you know, this thing. So we got some front end damage. We're gonna need a new windshield, fender, hood. Walk over here. We got a broken window here that needs to be replaced. Let's see. We'll get a better overview when the sun is out. We've yet to source through this madness that they left for us. Damn. I didn't even see that one. And on the whole freaking dash. Then this spec is actually really nice. Seats are cozy. We're gonna have to do some cleaning inside. What else we got? Dong! I don't know how that happened.
Good baby.
Oh shit. Is that supposed to be like this?
No.
Oh, okay.
Come on, man.
But yeah, this is really just it. So I think today is gonna be
Tear it down.
100% tear down?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna source through the goodies, see what this man. Oh, I forgot to mention, we got the car from Copart.
Yeah.
I don't know. I've always found enjoyment in these and seeing what the fuck people had. Oh shit. What the fuck?
Advertisement.
The fuck out of here. Hell.
Came from Texas.
Oh, that's right. Oh, brake pads.
Oh, wait. You got a grill.
I think that's first. Oh, that's from the headlight.
Yep.
Dude, what the fuck?
He's a fanatic.
More fucking.
I'm assuming this guy worked for Pepsi or some shit?
Actually,
No, please?
Nah.
Is it the hard one? I'll take that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother.
Oh, you had new brake pads?
All around?
Yeah.
Brothers are not garbage.
Garbage. Garbage. Summit? Here, put it on. He did work for Pepsi. Oh, wait, that's him, bro.
Learn how to drive, brother.
Oh, you want coupons? God
Oh,
damn.
Mountain Dew, brother.
Our section. About a pizza?
Mozo que eres, güey.
What is this?
You want to touch that, brother?
Come here.
That one?
Oh, that bitch is dirty. Wanna rip one?
Nah.
That's why he crashed.
Yep, that's why.
Under the influence.
Safe to say the trash bag has been trashed. Man, because I see some videos where they go through like trash talk. You see a whole Gucci bag or cap or something. Ain't none of that.
Throw this shit out.
I don't want it. What is it, the liner for?
The blue liner for the right side.
Oh, what? That makes sense. Did you guys go through the glove compartment?
Not
No,
yet.
not yet.
Oh, maybe something there. All right. Oh, probably should have showed this. Insurance. It's kind of messed up how they just leave everything here. This man had liability. Oh, God. What a shame. Compartment, absolutely nothing. Pennies and quotas and... I'll keep this. Can we hear it, brother?
You man. Little stock action.
That's not bad.
I was gonna have to get used to these Chicago windows.
This is clean because it came from Texas.
No
There's
salt, no
there's
nothing.
no rust. No.
I like this like Alcantara
Yeah.
red sunroof. This nice of a car with liability. Knowing damn well what happens to it. Oh!
What are these?
The fuck
They're
are
foo-foo.
those?
You look like a fucking.
Don't even say it.
I love you, la soltera bien preciosa, no cualquiera es como tú, tú. Cálmate que al rato se hace.
Alright, we're gonna get into this now. What's the plan?
Take this bitch apart.
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Disassemble everything.
Yeah, the front end and interior.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
We're working on getting the fender off. Seems a little bit easier to do the way that the car is currently. So we're gonna take the fender off, then we're gonna jack up the car, take the front bumper off, radiator support, radiator, etc., etc. Anything else, Pa?
Somebody's hungry after 30 minutes of work.
Actually, it's been an hour and a half.
So we're gonna try to be as transparent as we can with you guys as far as pricing, porting. Expect us to bump heads and collide a lot. We have our mechanic here. We have our bodyman here. I run the camera and the socials, so expect them to give me shit. It'll work out somehow, some way. I think we're getting breakfast now.
Tamales.
Fuck. We're never gonna finish. Got the refreshers he wanted, and we're back to work.
Energized and ready to rock. Just gonna stand there? Help the man.
Agárrate un pinche gato. ¿Me cabe?
No, wait.
El tornillo. No, this is riveted onto the bumper.
Quiero que se vayan a confundir, eh?
Pues tú eres el bodyman, tú eres.
No. Trying to take off the left fender liners so that we can have better access to
inspect
some
the front end.
bolts.
But this side is fine, right? That's just the other side needs to be replaced?
Yeah.
There's no dents or anything?
Mira pa, vénganse por acá.
Padre, güey. Levántalo, mira. Mi papá.
Yeah, don't fuck it up.
How we looking now?
Fucked up.
Wanna learn how to take off a headlight?
Yeah.
Not today.
What the fuck?
Just get an extension. Get an extension and grab the 1/4-inch gun. Show it to the camera, see what we got.
He's a man now.
See if you find any damage on it.
I mean, that shit looks fine to me.
You gotta use your good eye. That's it, man. Cameraman, it's okay.
We're gonna want to keep that badge, right?
Yes, sir.
So no major frame damage, right?
We're getting there.
We're still gonna take this bitch apart.
Oh, fuck. Sheesh.
Get down there.
Why am I so fake?
If we ask questions, you answer them.
Any questions?
I mean, it's just a bunch of leakage from the coolant, no? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Looks pretty clean.
It did get into the fucking pulleys, way.
It did?
Yeah. To the alternate pulley.
The fuck is it, the belt?
Yeah, that's the belt fucked up right now. But I don't see nothing crazy. It touched the pulleys and then it fucked up the belt.
That's what we wanted, right?
Yep. Tire looks like it didn't get hit. We look good in suspension.
What about right here?
Oh god.
How bad is the front end damage?
I give it like a 6.
6 out of 10? Could be worse. The good thing is,
That's the mechanic.
It's fucked up.
but not too fucked up.
Nah, fixable.
Radiator support is coming off. Just trying to push back the wires, see where they get routed from, and just loosen everything up, and then be able to take this out piece off.
Moving along pretty quick.
A little bit, I wouldn't say delayed.
Delayed. Yeah, I'll be good enough. It's not leaking. It's just the plastic. Yeah, it's just a it's a
Plastic is
Just take out the holes. What holes? The lower holes.
I'm looking for the hoe.
Para que me caiga todo en el
I can't see it from here.
So now we're gonna go through pretty much general estimates based off what we can see and what we need to replace.
Yep.
He's on fire! He's on fire!
So we don't have access to the bolts to remove the impact bar, so we're making access. Handy mandy over here
You need more.
can't seem to access the bolts.
Great success!
If it would have creased right here, that would have been a fucking rough.
But because it didn't, we're
This is replaceable, this end cap. This is a part of a rail, but we could get this off a jump car. This can be straightened out. And that just needs to get pulled, and we should be good for business.
Santi's already ran you guys what we need to replace. for the frame specifically. Mechanical wise, mechanic, what we need.
We need this pulley. With this pulley. We need the tensioner.
Belt.
And a belt. I believe the compressor's alright, and I believe the alternator's alright. So it's only that.
Gonna lower this down, get an interior. You guys seen the dash. Gonna get that out. The good thing for us is not stolen. VIN is still intact, obviously blurring that. None of that, no funny business. That's another step, but I'm sure we'll take that at some point in this journey. So we gotta take out both of these seatbelts. We're gonna get these removed.
Sass. Pow.
Getting out of here now.
Awkward. Moving to the last portion of disassembly for this whole freaking dash. It is a lot more than I expected, but let's just hope that it's quicker to reassemble than it was to disassemble. Oh, okay.
That's not the plan.
Oh, fuck. The dash is completely removed, and while doing that, we found this. Found a GPS tracker. There you go. You know what to do with that. There goes the complete teardown. You guys seen the exterior, you seen the interior. The dash is completely gone. The seat belts and modules have to get sent out, so we're doing that. There's another look at that. Yeah, not too pretty. But, you know, what's next with the body?
Find the donor, get the parts off the donor, get it to the frame machine because we are going to have to pull this. Pull it, straighten it, make it look nice, replace the end cap, weld it, paint it, make it look OEM. Mechanic? Oh, we need parts too.
Parts.
Oh, we're gonna make the list.
So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but there's pretty much that portion of it. We're still gonna figure this stuff out, figure out how we want to roll out these videos, but there's this. Hope you enjoy
Stay tuned.
and stay tuned.